Hello, I'm Bill again. I'm going to teach you part 2. Part 2 is going to consist one face and two rounds here. It must be all correct. So, as I said, you know this face is yellow because the middle is in the yellow. It's yellow. So, this yellow must find as many clues you turn here. So, one round was finished. But this one is orange. You have to find orange, blue, orange. So it's here. You have to make this change to here. So you like this. You make the middle down. You turn it away. You make it up again. So the blue is here. You want to make it here. You turn to the left nor right. You put the middle down again. You turn it and the same thing. So the orange has here. You have to find the corner now. This is white, so you must find orange, white, blue. It's here. You change here to here. You put it down the right, turn it away, put it up. So the blue is here. You put it up here. You will know after you find my first video. You put it away. Then put the right down. You put it turn and you put it up. Same for the other side. Put it up here. So if you want to put it up on the left, the cube must put it on the right so it don't mix up. So you got everything one round. Now I'm teaching you a second round. This is we need to find orange, yellow. So where's orange, yellow? Here, see? Orange, yellow. Put it up here. This one is just the same as the first tutorial. If you want to put it on the right, you turn it on the left. Then you put it up, down. You turn it away. You put it up. So the blue is here. You have to put it up here. You have to put it on the left. The cube must turn on the right. Here, this left go down and the cube just now we have turned off go back to its own place. Now you have to find orange, white. If you don't have there orange, white here, so you just take anything to cover it here. You put it on here. So if you want to put it on the right, you turn it on the left. Put it down, turn it away, put it back. Here to here, you should know by now. You want to put it on the left, you turn it on the right. So then we put it back. So you must find back the orange, white. Here, orange, white. You want to put it on the right, you must put it on the left, as I said. Put it on the left, put down the right, put back, turn back, put up. So this got missing, but don't mind, there's one here. You want to put it up here, you turn it away. Don't turn it the left side, as I said, it will mix up. So you must put it here, so then you turn it, come back to the normal mode. Okay, now we have to find the red, yellow. Here. You put it up here, so This is on the left, you must turn it on the right. Then put this down, turn it away, and put it up again. Put this one, put it to the normal blue face. You want to put it on the right, you turn it to the left. Put down, and you turn back it. Almost every face finished. We have to find white, red. It's here. So you want to put it on the left, you turn it on the right, put it down, turn it, and up, put it up. Blue is here, put it to the normal face. You want to put it on the right, you turn it over to the left, put the blue face down, turn it back, and put it down, up again. So you got every cube is one face and two rows, two rounds. Thank you.